Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Ticketmaster pass disabled in your Apple Wallet. So here's a guide for your setup, activation and how can you fix. Step 1. Remove the disabled pass from your Apple Wallet. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on the specific Ticketmaster pass showing the pass disabled error message. Tap the three dots or that's the more icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select pass details. Scroll down and tap remove pass to delete the broken file. Step 2. Clear application and network blocks. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon and update the Ticketmaster app to the latest version. Open your iPhone settings, go to General, select Software, Update to confirm your phone runs to the latest iOS build. Navigate to your phone's network configuration and temporarily turn off any active VPN or Apple private relay tools. Step 3. Re-add the live ticket from the Ticketmaster. Launch the updated Ticketmaster app and log into the account that purchased the tickets. Tap on My Events or My Tickets to find your active event order. Verify that the order status is valid and has not been cancelled, sold, or transferred away. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button visible underneath the rolling barcode. Verify your Apple ID credentials when prompted to link the ticket to your device. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.